Hi, welcome back. It's Michelle Peha, Michelle Peha Art. Today we're just going to do another colour split. This was the last painting. I ended up scraping it. I wasn't totally happy with it, but let's do another one today. So we have Artist Loft Soft Body Acrylic White. It will be the base, and mixed with a bit of black I've got the grey. So that'll be my colour split base. Okay, then we have Amsterdam Permanent Green Light, Amsterdam Persian Rose, Amsterdam Permanent Red Violet, Amsterdam Yellowish Green, Deco Art Sterling Silver, and Amsterdam Burnt Umber. So they will be my colours today. So let's get started. I will probably fast forward this next bit so I don't bore you with it. And then it will be grey at the bottom. So we'll just lay this down. I'll fast forward this and I will be back. Okay, my base is down. I will just get a few of these sides. Oh, missed a couple of sides, so I'll just fix that up. And I missed the big section at the back here. Okay, so this is down. Just give this a quick torch. Okay, pop some bubbles. Okay, let's start with the Permanent Green Light. Now the Persian Rose. Permanent Red Violet. Yellowish Green. Give this a shake. Do the Sterling Silver. And I'm just going to do a tiny bit of the Burnt Umber. Don't want much of that, just a tiny bit. Okay, give that a torch. Okay, now I'm just going to blow a little bit of it over, and then we will blow it out. A bit more of the grey. Okay, here it goes. Okay, let that settle for a minute. Okay, and then we will blow it out. Oopsie. Okay, let's do this. Okay. That's really pretty here. I think that okay. Whoops, got my hair in it. Okay, like that. Don't know about that. Might get rid of that, I think. Okay. Okay. That's pretty. Got it all through my hair again. This I love. This I love. This middle bit, maybe not so much. Okay. I might turn that around. Okay. This here is very pretty. Okay. Okay, I'm very happy with this. It's very, very pretty. Okay. Might just do a little bit at the top up here, and I think I will leave it. Okay. Just get that little bit of green out. Okay, very happy with that. That's actually beautiful. And I've got a little bit of cat hair in here. I got my necklace in. Okay. Okay. Okay, I do love that. I'll bring you down for a close-up. Look at all that sterling silver shimmer in there. Beautiful colours. I love these colours. The sort of a hot pink and the really nice green, bit of brown. It all works really well together. Oh, I think it works really well together. Bit of grey. This is quite pretty. Sort of soft on this side. Where's that shimmer? There's that shimmer. If I can focus. There we go. So pretty. More shimmer. All the colour in there. Well, let me know what you think in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe to my channel. Click the like button. Please comment below. Let me know what you think also. And we will do another video soon. Thank you for joining me. Good night.